Manipur, where culture blooms and nature thrives, is also a land where women lead with strength and spirit. At the heart of Imphal beats Ima Kaithil, Asia's largest all-women market, a vibrant tapestry of resilience, enterprise, and the unstoppable spirit of empowered womanhood. Here, nearly 4,000 Imas or mothers from diverse faiths and tribes run their own stalls with pride and purpose. Their contribution to the state and society is truly commendable.
All these women, when it comes Manipur as a whole, when it comes to the state issue, we all together, these women will come out and we will participate in all the state issue in active role, not only helping in generating financial economical status in our Manipur, we also participate in the Manipur extreme issues, in all the issues. It's not only for the one district, from all the communities come to this market, and all together, all here Muslim also come here, tribe also come here. They will come bringing their local products to this market, and they will give to us at the rate of the wholesale rate, and we will take them all that goods from them, and we shall here. That's the exchange way.
हम तो शांति लाना चाहती हूँ, हम तो हम सब प्यार में बैठना चाहती हूँ। जो कोई तांगखुल हो, नागा हो और कुकी हो और जितना वो जाट होते हैं ना हमारी मणिपुर में, हम सब मिल के शांति से बैठ के अच्छी तरह से मिल के काम करना और प्यार से रहना चाहती हूँ।
Ima market is thoughtfully divided into sections. One bustling with fresh fruits, vegetables, fish and everyday essentials, while another showcases the rich craftsmanship of Manipur through hand-woven textiles, bamboo products and traditional handicrafts. For generations, women have proudly carried forward the legacy of running these shops. And it's not just in Imphal. Across Manipur, even in remote regions like Tamenglong, women-led markets such as the Rani Gaidanliu market thrive. Though smaller in scale, they stand as powerful testaments to the unwavering spirit and full participation of women in the state's economy.
यहाँ सब लेडीज सब्जी बिक्री करता है, हम लोग सब लेडीज हैं और ये मार्केट बहुत साल पुराना है। मेरा माँ पिताजी का ज़माना से है, बहुत पुराना है। रानी मार्केट बोल के ना, यहाँ का जो रानी है ना, यहाँ का पहले का ये लोग का रानी, उन लोग का ज़माना से।
When it comes to women's empowerment, Manipur stands as a shining example of strength born from struggle, carved out a distinct identity, not just within their families, but across every sphere of society. From leading social movements to driving trade, running small-scale industries and shaping the local economy, Manipuri women are at the forefront of change. With courage, resilience and vision, they're not only empowering themselves, but also fueling the progress and prosperity of the entire state.